Hello, this is Dr. Rick Hoefer, the instructor for the course. I'm here to present to you some information regarding your final project, the so-called program design paper. So I hope this is helpful to you and gives you more idea of what you're going to need to do. So this comes directly from the Canvas material and from the syllabus. So first thing to note, this is a group project, and so sometime during the course of the semester we have to get you into a group. So we'll do that. As you think about what you're going to do, though, remember that this paper is based on your needs assessment update. Now, if you're in a group of between 2 and 4 people, that means that you're going to have 2 to 4 different updates for the needs assessment. So part of the group project and process is going to be to figure out which of the elements that you want to add. Obviously, if you've worked on similar kind of update, then you may have overlapping information, and that's fine, but you still need to condense it down as you get ready to do your final paper. So the first element that you need to have as part of your paper, your program design paper, is the community need that is addressed. So you'll want to get together. This is worth 5 points, which is 1/6 of your grade, but it's, I was going to say it's the easiest if you just cut and paste, but you're probably going to have to meld or at least discuss how this is going to work out. Now that's element 1, the needs assessment. The second element is the logic model. Now, the logic model is covered in depth in Module 7, just like the needs assessment is covered in weeks 4 and 5. So I'm telling you exactly where to get the information that you need for each of these sections. And if things work out well, the answers to the discussion question for those weeks, if you group or if you choose to turn it in for that week, it will help you with these aspects of your paper. So the logic model, Module 7, also worth 5 points. Now the biggest part of your paper is going to be the full description of the program, which is what you would expect. This is going to include the evidence base that you use to select it, and what's really important is how you connect the program and the need that you have identified. This is part of the value of the logic model, is it takes your need statement and it works all the way through to the end, which is how you're going to solve or at least address the need that you've identified. So that's worth 10 points, which is 1/3 of the paper, just that one element. Then we have the next element, which is the evaluation plan. We'll look at evaluation planning in Module 8. Hint, it's very closely connected to the logic model. So that's why we want to get a really good logic model back there in Module 7. You also will be, you'll be expected to have a budget showing the major budget categories with a budget justification. That's worth 5 points, and we'll find that material in Module 9. So as you're looking at this, what's going through my head is that you should be tracking along in your paper with these various modules. So when we get to Module 9, after that, so let's say by Module 10, you should be pretty much done with the paper. We'll have covered all the material that you need to write the paper. So there's no need to wait till the end when you're going to be in a time crunch in order to start the paper or even work very much on it. So, already when we get to the needs assessment, you should be working as we go along. So that's just in very shortly in weeks 4 and 5. All right, so if you have any questions, post it to the question and answer area of the course. Other than that, I hope you're having a good day, and I look forward to working with you on this paper.